Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to verify update iOS 26 field verification because you are no longer connected to the internet. So guys, if you're trying to update your device to the latest version, that is iOS 26, and you are facing this issue, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, drag down your control center and check your internet connection and your mobile service whether they are working properly or not. And if they are not working properly, then fix your internet issues, and after this go back, and now you have to open settings on your device and then go to general, and then you have to scroll it below and tap on iPhone storage and make sure that there is enough space for you to download and install the latest version. After this, go back and now scroll it below and tap on date and time and set your date and time from here, or turn on the toggle for set automatically. After this, go back and tap on language and region and tap on region and select your country or region correctly from here as well. After this, go back and tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device, and if there is any, you have to simply disconnect it. And after this, go back and tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well, and then restart your device for one time as well. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.